Circuit boards, inner, outer layers. Inner layers, full build per process. Chemically roughened surfaces for enhanced interlayer bonding. Add PP sheets in the middle. Apply copper foil, then HT/HP lamination. Next, drill through layers for connectivity. Single drill components and welding points. Note non-metallized hole walls require PTH plated through hole and copper electroplating. Interlayer connection achieved via dense copper deposition in hole walls. Outer layer circuits. Repeat inner processing. Apply photoresist, then expose with film mask to cure circuits. Use negative film mask to first expose non-circuit regions. Developing stripping unexposed resisting, exposing copper. Next, pattern plating on the exposed traces, then etching the unneeded areas. The circuit traces are coming out. Apply solder resist coatings. Exposed with film mask protecting pads. Exposed non-pad regions cured on exposure. Develop stripping unexposed resisting, exposing pads under solder masks. Proceed to silk screen markings. And with that, the artistic journey of a PCB is nearly complete.